Hello everyone. New day, new destination. Our next destination was Thekkady. We started our journey by 9 am. Leaving Munnar was a tough task. We will lifelong cherish those beautiful green mountains, dramatic sunset, and picturesque view from mountain. Thekkady is situated about 100 km from Munnar, a plantation town in Kerala Tamil Nadu border. This place is famous for its dense, evergreen, moist deciduous forest and savanna grasslands. It is a home of herds of elephants, tigers, lions, and many more wild animals.
What happened to you? Why are you sleeping like a pig?
Vomit sensation.
Vomiting? You had tablets, right? Still,
The car was going like this, like this. My head is going like this, like this.
After reaching Thekkady, our first spot was an amazing chocolate factory where they explained us the process of chocolate making. Seeing those raw, fresh, and different flavors of chocolate, I had butterflies in my stomach and was eagerly waiting to have them. Kathakali, an important genre in Indian classical dance form, is associated with storytelling form of this art. Similar to other Indian classical dance arts, the story in Kathakali is also communicated to audience through excellent footwork and impressive gesture of face and hands complemented with music and vocal performance. However, it can be distinguished from other through the intricate and vivid makeup, unique face masks, and costume worn by dancers and are traditionally performed by male dancers.
the next day.
Hi everyone, we are at day 5 and it is like 7 o'clock in the morning and we are going for a elephant ride and elephant bath which is like nearby only, but it is very chilled outside. I do not know how the bath will be and the cold water and all, but I'm really excited about it. Let's see. Next morning, we went for adventurous elephant safari ride, followed up by elephant bath. This was my first time ride on elephant. It was quite scary for me at the beginning, but enjoyable and adventurous at the same time.